Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making Japanese Chawanmushi, silky steamed egg custard made at home with a simple frying pan. Before we start, let's take a quick look at what Chawanmushi is. Chawanmushi, literally meaning steamed in a cup, is a traditional Japanese savory dish made by gently mixing eggs with dashi, a Japanese soup stock. Originally served as an elegant banquet dish for the upper class, it's still considered refined and graceful today. With its flavor defined by the quality of the dashi and its ingredients reflecting the season and region, Chawanmushi is an ideal dish for experiencing the subtle beauty of Japanese cuisine. In Japan, Chawanmushi is traditionally made using a steamer, but this recipe is designed to be made in a frying pan. Alright, let's start cooking. First, let's prepare the dashi, the flavor base of the Chawanmushi. We recommend the kombu and bonito dashi used here for its rich umami. For other dashi options, check the description. Soak the kombu in water for about 30 minutes, then heat it gently over low heat for about 10 minutes. When small bubbles appear at the bottom, remove the kombu before it boils. If it boils, the flavor can be affected, so be careful not to overheat it. Once the water comes to a boil, add the bonito flakes. Turn off the heat and let them steep for about 2 minutes until they sink to the bottom. Line a strainer with paper towels and slowly strain the bonito flakes. Do not squeeze them, as this can cloud the dashi and introduce bitterness. The dashi is ready. To the dashi prepared, add light soy sauce, mirin, and salt, and gently mix to combine. Crack the eggs into a bowl and gently mix with chopsticks, avoiding whisking. Try to keep air from getting into the mixture. Trapped air expands as it cooks and can leave tiny holes, resulting in a rough texture. Once there are no visible lumps of egg white, the mixture is ready. Add the seasoned dashi to the mixed eggs, then gently mix until combined. If the dashi is hot, it may partially cook the eggs, so make sure it has cooled before adding it. Strain the egg mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This step makes the texture noticeably smoother. Prepare heat-proof cups with enough depth and place the fillings inside. Feel free to use seasonal or local ingredients for the fillings. Pour the egg mixture into the cups, filling them to about 80%. To ensure an even texture, gently give the egg mixture a quick stir just before pouring. Fill a frying pan with about 1 inch of water and bring it to a boil over medium heat, then arrange the cups in the pan. Place a thick paper towel or a thin cloth under the lid to prevent drips from condensation, then cover the pan. You can also cover each cup with plastic wrap or foil if you prefer. Steam over medium-low heat for 2 minutes. Then reduce the heat to low and continue steaming for 10 to 13 minutes. Avoid high heat as it can cause holes and a grainy texture. Turn off the heat once the surface gently jiggles. When checking for doneness, take care to prevent condensation from dripping into the cups. Top the Chawanmushi with the finishing garnishes, yuzu and mitsuba in this case, and let it steam gently for another 1 to 2 minutes using the residual heat.
Itadakimasu!
The ratio of dashi to eggs affects how the Chawanmushi sets, as well as its texture and aroma. In this video, we made it using a frying pan, but there are other ways to prepare Chawanmushi, including the microwave and the oven. For more details, please check the description. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.